For decades, the innocent children of Purvanchal lived under the shadow of a deadly disease called encephalitis. During the summer and monsoon seasons, poor sanitation and waterlogging led to a rise in mosquitoes, which were the primary carriers of the virus. Infected children would suffer from high fever, unconsciousness and seizures, resulting in the death of hundreds and leaving many others permanently disabled. Yogi Adityanath has been fighting against this disease for many years, raising his voice on the streets and in parliament.
इतने बच्चों की जानें बची, बेहतर समन्वय से, बेहतर संवाद से। आखिर ये जो बच्चे हैं, ये किसी जाति, मत और मजहब से नहीं, ये हमारे राज्य और हमारे देश की एक धरोहर है। उसको स्वास्थ्य सुविधा प्राप्त करना उसका अधिकार है।
After becoming Chief Minister, Yogi Adityanath resolved to eliminate encephalitis from its roots. Every year, a special cleanliness drive was launched before the monsoon. Drains were covered, anti-larval spraying was carried out, and door-to-door campaigns were run to spread awareness about preventive measures.
उन सब बच्चों के लिए वातानुकूलित 500 बेडेड हमारे पास अस्पताल बने हैं। उनके स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए NICU है, PICU है। ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी व्यवस्था है, बेस्ट व्यवस्था है। इन सभी के कारण, इन सब व्यवस्थाओं के कारण से, पूरी इंटीग्रेटेड अप्रोच के कारण से इन जापानी एन्सेफेलाइटिस या AES की संख्या बहुत ही कम हुई है।
The impact of government efforts is clearly visible in the data on encephalitis. In 2017, Gorakhpur and surrounding areas recorded 4,724 cases of acute encephalitis syndrome or AES and 693 cases of Japanese encephalitis or JE. By 2024, these numbers had dropped significantly to just 737 AES cases and only 61 JE cases. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also claimed that in recent years, encephalitis-related deaths in Gorakhpur have come down to 0.
अगर मैं केवल गोरखपुर के ही गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज के आंकड़े आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करूं और वहां के जो अन्य आंकड़े हैं, और आज मुझे बताते हुए प्रसन्नता है कि इंसेफ्लाइटिस को पूरी तरह नियंत्रित किया जा चुका है। अब इंसेफ्लाइटिस से कोई मौत नहीं होती है।
A dedicated encephalitis block and hospital were established at BRD Medical College. Gorakhpur and other districts, once the worst-hit regions, are now safe, and children are expressing their gratitude to Chief Minister Yogi in their own little ways.